funny. And
Right.
make funny, make funny, and make it funny.
Want to make it funny? Yeah, you have to use the bristles, but you have to get paint on it first, baby. You have to get some paint.
I'm gonna make it funny. Put the eyebrows. Put the eyebrows.
What color eyebrows would you like?
And the eyes. And put the nose.
What color eyebrows should he have? How about blue? It still looks even. Right, the white?
I like the other side. You put the AC. I see it. I see it. You put the eye to see it. You put the back. You put the back.
Well, then turn it. I think you really dove into it last time we did it.
And pink. You need pink.
What kind of paint do you need?
This is.
We're going to get some paint. You want to paint a different color? Just switch brushes.
This.
Here, you can put your white brush in here. I guess not.
Yeah.
Now grab another brush
Use another brush.
to get another color.
Then pick one of these and put it in the yellow.
I put the la.
This one's clean too. Your yellow's right here.
What's right here? What's here?
You didn't get any paint, honey.
Get some yellow.
Take a la. Take
Get in there.
Hi. Put the la there. Yeah, but red is funny. Put a lot of 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 funny.
Make the yellow funny then.